In this video, I'm going to show you how to securely log in to sites with just one tap. It's fast, easy, and the perfect way to enhance your online security without remembering multiple passwords. Stay tuned because I'm about to walk you through a step-by-step guide, and I'll also share a secret method at the end that'll make this even easier for you. First things first. One-tap login is all about using secure authentication methods like biometrics or trusted devices to avoid the hassle of typing in passwords every time you sign in. If you're tired of password fatigue and security risks, this method will save you time and protect your personal information. Now, you might be wondering how this works. The key technology behind one-tap login is called biometric authentication, whether that's using your fingerprint, face recognition, or even a PIN. The software we'll be using today makes it incredibly simple to set this up, and it integrates with most websites and apps that support this feature. Start by installing our software on your device. Once it's set up, you'll need to link it to your accounts on the websites or apps where you want to use one-tap login. This is done by enabling biometric authentication in your account's security settings. Don't worry, most platforms make this easy with just a few clicks. If the site you're using supports it, you'll have the option to enable fingerprint scanning or face recognition. Here's the good part. Once you've set this up, logging in becomes a breeze. Instead of entering a password, just tap your fingerprint or glance at your phone for face recognition. It's that fast. This method not only saves time, but also boosts your security because you're not relying on weak reused passwords. And before you think it's only available on certain devices, think again. Whether you're using Android, iOS, or even a desktop, most modern devices now support this feature. Some websites even have options for linking your account to a trusted device, allowing you to sign in with a single tap from that device, no matter where you are. But if you're worried about the security risks of storing biometric data or want even stronger protection, our software comes with an added layer of encryption. This means your fingerprint or face data is securely stored and never exposed to third parties. That's a big win for your privacy. And here's something special. I've tried all the major tools for one-tap login, and I can tell you that this software stands out. I've got an exclusive free trial for you, only available to viewers of my channel. You'll get full access to the software, so you can follow along with me and start using this method today. The link is in the description below. So what's the key takeaway? To securely log in to sites with one tap, make sure to enable biometric authentication or a trusted device in your account settings. Once it's set up, logging in is fast, easy, and secure. Plus, you don't have to worry about remembering passwords. To recap, install the software, enable biometric authentication or trusted devices, and start tapping for quick, secure logins. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.